Alright guys, so I'm doing a cool little review on this tweak called Typewriter keyboard right here. I already have it opened. It stays up in your menu bar, and I'll have a download in the video description to the right of the video, and you can download this. You can adjust all these settings. You can go to pause the video, look them over, or just download the app and go through them. But they're pretty basic, not much to set. And then you can go into text edit or Microsoft Word or whatever to test this out. Let me turn my volume up so you guys can hear this. And it sounds like a keyboard when you type. That's a little loud. And then you hit enter. It's like a little dink and like where they would roll it back. If you guys know what I'm talking about, if you ever seen like typewriters in movies and stuff. And then when you hit backspace, that's what that sounds like. And you can change, like, you know, if you want the backspace sound to go to the enter sound and switch everything up and whatnot. Everything else is, yeah, there's probably three. Those three or four, whatever. So it's a cool little app or tweak. I recommend you guys go download it. It is free. I know there is some kind of a trial, but I'm not sure how long it is or how much the price is, whatever. But yeah. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and donate.